Write a query to display details of employees working as analyst in department number 10. So I want to display details, that means select star from EMP, select star from EMP, where working as analyst, that means job should be equal to an analyst. Okay, so job should be equal to analyst, and after that department number is 10, and I will write DEPT number equal to 10. So this is it, guys, and it is saying that no row selected. Don't worry, it is not a wrong output, guys, because there is no one in department number 10 who is working as analyst. You can cross check by displaying the number, displaying the table. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it is right answer. Okay, so there is no rule that every query should give some output. If it is not existing in table, then how it can give the output? So just ignore that one. So few queries I have written like that only. So the questions will not give any output, and you should be confident that yes, I have written correctly, and you have to cross check it with the help of table. Got it, guys? 9th question is solved now. Okay, so 10th one, write a query to display details of employees working as president with salary of rupees 4,000. So I need to display the details of employees working as president. So I will write select star from EMP, where job is equal to president and salary of rupees 4,000. So salary is equal to 4,000. So this is it, guys. Okay, so select star from EMP, and okay, so you can see there is only one guy who is working as president. Where it is, I'll display over here. Okay, so this is also right, guys. I'll just cross check this one so that you can understand. Alright, so there is only one guy who is working as president in our table, and he is okay, 1 second, I'll display here. Okay, so this is the guy who is working as president. Okay, so the name of the employee is King, and he is working as president, and I think there is no one whose job is president. Okay, so downside there is no one, and on upper side also there is no one. Okay, so yes, no one, and here you can see no row selected is the output. That means no one is satisfying this particular condition where job should be equal to president. So first condition is the King is satisfying first condition, but whenever it comes to second condition, salary should be equal to 4,000, but his salary is 5,000 here, so it is not satisfying the second condition. So that's why the output will be false, and from whole table no one will be selected. So no row selected is the correct answer for this query, guys. Okay, so that I mean, you should be remembering, or you should remember this table, or you can just note it down on a pen and paper whenever you are writing the queries. Got it, guys? Yes. Okay, so 10th question we have solved, and also I have cross checked with the help of employee table. I hope all your doubts have been solved there. Okay, so 11th question, write a query to display names and department number, comma, job of employees working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. See here, guys, I want to display employee name, department number and job. So what I will write is, so first I will write clear screen, and select employee name, e-name, after that select e-name, after that department number, DEPT number, after that I want to select, or I want to display job, so I will give it as job, and from EMP I have to select, and there are where condition which says working as clerk in department number 10 or 20. So job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and working in department 10 or 20. So for if you are writing like department 10 or 20, then what you can do, guys, you have to use bracket here, because DEPT number equal to 10 or 20. So DEPT number equal to 20. So if you don't write like this, then you will be getting the you will not be getting output, and that case also I will be showing, but just you just see output for now. Okay, so this is the output, guys, and these are the 3 employees who are satisfying the above conditions. Okay, so what if I don't use brackets here? What will be happening? I'll just show you. I will write the same query, select ename comma dept number comma job from emp, where condition says that job should be equal to clerk, job is clerk, and I will not write brackets dept number equal to 10 or dept number equal to 20, and if I terminate this one and hit enter, then I will be getting different output. So here you can see the first output is different and the second output is different, though it seems, or it's it says like both the queries are same, but they are not same, guys. Basically, because of this brackets, the first condition or the first query is correct and the second query is wrong. So what is happening over here is, guys, basically what the SQL does is, whenever it says whenever it sees and, it will take 2 operators, that is the first one on the left hand side and second one on the right hand side, and it will group them together. Okay, so it will make group of these two. Okay, so I have to use a marker here, guys, then only you can understand. Okay, so what it does is, basically first it will make one condition of this one. Okay, so first it will make one condition, basically and is there, left hand side it will take one field and right hand side it will take one field. So what it will do, it will check for the condition where job is equal to clerk and department number 10. So you can see here department number 10 and job is clerk, so it has been selected here. After that, what it will do, after else or means department number 20. So after that, all the things are having department number 20, because it is one of the it thinks that it is one of the condition which need to be satisfied. Okay, so that's why we'll be getting wrong output, because it is considering this as the first argument and this as the second argument. But in actual, what we are writing is, basically, so and is one condition, so this whole thing is one condition and this is another condition. So in order to differentiate, we need to put one bracket here, guys. So if we put one bracket over here and over here, then it will take it as the first condition and it will take it as the second condition. So the same thing I have done. I have put a bracket over here and bracket over here. So the whole thing which is inside this brackets will be considered as one thing or one criteria, and after that this thing which is separately written, it will be taken as another criteria. So whenever the variable is same, here also department number, here also department number, then you should include these two things in parentheses or in brackets, then only you will be getting proper output. Because here we are having and as well as or operator. If there are only or operators or if there are only and operators, then is no problem. If there is a mix of and or operators, then you have to use brackets here for the fields which are having same variable. Like in this one, department number and department number are the same variables or same criteria, so I need to use brackets over here. So that's why I have written two queries, guys. First one is right and the second one is wrong. So normally people go for second one, but please, after seeing this video, don't go for the second one. Make sure that you put a brackets for these things. Got it, guys? Yes. I will write clear SCR again and clear the screen. Okay, so I don't know which one we have solved. I think 11th one we have solved, guys. Got it? Okay, so the next question is 12th one. Write a query to display details of employees working as clerk or manager in department 10. So they are asking for details again. Then I can write select star from EMP, where condition says that working as clerk or manager. So one way how we can write is job in clerk. So ELERK, clerk, job in clerk or job equal to manager. After that, another condition says that department 10. So DEPT number equal to 10. So this is one of the way, guys, how we can write, and this is the output. Alright, so instead of writing job equal to manager and job equal to clerk and job equal to manager, what I can use is in operator. Okay, so in operator I will be using. So with the help of in operator, how I can write select star from EMP where job, and instead of these things I will use in here, job in and open bracket. After that, in single quotes I have to write clerk, close the single quote, write a comma, and after that another field is manager, MANAGER, close the single quotes, close the bracket. Okay, so this is one of the condition. After that, second condition is DEPT number. For this also I can use in, guys, DEPT number in 10. If I write like this, then also it will give me a proper output. Department number, so job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, and department number equal to 10. Okay, so department number equal to 20, 30. Okay, one second, guys, I'll just cross check this one. Select star from EMP where job in single quotes I will write clerk, job in clerk, comma, manager. Okay, I will close this one, and DEPT number equal to 10. Alright, guys, so basically the first thing which were displayed over here, that is select star from EMP where job equal to clerk or job equal to manager and department number equal to 10. This is actually the wrong output, guys. Okay, so we have not noticed this one. You can see here, and department number should be equal to 10, but here you can see department number 20 is also displaying, department number 30 is also displaying. That is because of the bracket, guys, which just now I have explained, but I forgot to write those things, guys. So this is the correct output. Okay, so I can write like this, and the same output I will be getting if I write the first query, that is this one, in this form: SELECT from EMP where, and in bracket I have to write job equal to, first thing is clerk. Okay, so job equal to clerk or job equal to clerk or job equal to manager, job equal to manager, and I have to close this one. After that, and DEPT number equal to 10. So if I write like this, then I'm pretty sure that I'll be getting the same output as that of the previous here. So this is the correct output, guys. The first way is I can use this bracket and I can write like this. The second way is I can either use these conditions, like in where job in clerk comma manager, that means job in either clerk or a manager, and department number in 10 I can use, or department number equal to 10 I can use. So there are a lot of methods which are present, guys. Whichever you think is easy to remember or easy to write, then you can choose that one, but learn all those things, guys. Okay, so sorry, I have written this one wrongly. Okay, so this I have to use brackets, this job and job repeating here, right? So I need to use brackets, I have not used, so that's why I have got wrong output, and I don't know why I have not noticed that one. Alright, sorry for that one. Clear screen. Okay, so I have cleared the screen now. Alright, so 13th question, guys. Write a query to display names of employees working in department 10, 20, 30. Before that, I just want to make sure that it is recording. Yes, guys, it is recording. So write a query to display names of employees working in department 10, 20, 30, 40. So comma means or, guys. Most of the guys will be thinking like it is and. No, it's not and, because one particular person can't work in all these departments. Okay, so either you can become a software developer, or you can become a front-end developer, or you can become a Java developer, or a Python developer, or a SQL developer, but you can't do all those things at a time. Okay, so I can't say that you'll not be able to do, but at different times you have to do different things. Okay, so one person can't be an employee, he can't be a CEO, he can't be a president. Only one position he can hold. In the same way, the employee will be working only in one department, not in all departments. Okay, so that's why this basically means that display names of the employees who are working in either department 10 or 20 or 30 or 40. So it is pretty simple, guys. I need to select employee name, so e name from emp table I have to take, and here I'm having where condition. Okay, so where condition says that working in department 10 20 30 40. So dept number. So this first the first method I will be showing, guys, and here there is no need to use brackets because I will be using only or condition, but for good practice I can use brackets, guys, where dept number equal to 10. Okay, so dept number equal to 10, after that or dept number equal to 20 or dept number equal to 30 or dept number equal to 40, and close the bracket, close the query. So if I write like this, then you can see so all those conditions I have taken 10 20 30 40. Yes, I hit enter and you can see these are the employees who are satisfying the above condition. So it is kind of lengthy, guys. I am repeating department number. So in order to remove this one or overcome this one, I can use in operator. So I will write select e name from emp where dept number in 10 20 30 40, and I'll close the bracket and close the query. If I hit enter, you can see same output I'll be getting, 14 rows selected, and here also 14 rows selected. So this is the power of in operator, guys. Okay, so you should be using in operator whenever the condition is repeating itself. Got it, guys? Yes. So clear screen again, and next question is write a query to display, that is 14th one. Write a query to display details of employees with employee number 7902 7839. So their employee number should be equal to 7902 or 7839. Okay, so I want details, so I will write select star from emp where employee number, so emp number equal to 7902 or emp number equal to another one is 7839. So 7839. So these are the two conditions. So if I hit enter, then you can see King and Ford are the two employees who are satisfying above conditions. But the same thing I can write it with the help of in operator, guys. So I will write select star from emp where condition says that emp number in either it should be 7902 and 7839. So these are the two conditions. I will close the query here and hit enter. You can see same output I am getting, guys. So these are the two ways. Either you can go with the or operation or you can go with in operator here. Okay, so this is it. Alright, guys, so next 15th question, last 5 questions, guys, just stick with me. So write a query to display details of employees working as manager or salesman or clerk. So here you can see it has given 3 or conditions. Then I can use easily here or operator, or else I can go for in operator here. So write a query to display details. So they are asking for details. I will write select star from emp where condition says that job should be manager, salesman or clerk. So job is equal to, first one is manager, or job is equal to clerk, or job is equal to salesman. So these are the 3 conditions. I will hit enter and you can see this is the output, guys. So instead of this query I can use alternatively this one also, select select star from emp where, okay, so job in, where job in, I can write these conditions here. First one is manager, after that second one is clerk, After that, third one is salesman. Terminate this one, terminate the query, hit enter, and you can see I'm getting the same output. 11 rows selected, 11 rows selected. So this is it guys, how you can write. So clear screen. Okay, so I think we are done with 15th question. Now 16th question. Write a query to display names of employees hired after 81 and before 87. So this is a kind of tricky question guys, and you need to understand question properly in order to write the query. So writing query is very easy if you understand the question properly. So what I want to display is, I want to display employee name. So name of the employees who are hired after 81. So tell me one thing guys, after 81 means the year should end. Okay, so at what time the year will be ending? Any year. So after 31st December any year will be ending, right? So it is what today is 5th December. Okay, so this is the last month of 2021, and after this after 31st December 2021 year will be gone and 2020 will be starting. So after 81 means after 31st December 81. So they will be giving only year. We have to guess the, I mean we have to calculate, or we have to understand that it is after 81 means after 31st December 81. And another condition says that they should be hired before 87. So before 87 means starting of 87 should not be included. So 87, when the year 87 will be starting? On 1st Jan 87. So if I say when year 2022 will be starting, so it will be starting on 1 Jan 2022. Try to understand guys, 1 Jan 2022 is the first date of year 2022. Okay, so in same way before 87 means 1 Jan 87 will be the first date, and we have to write a condition that higher date before means higher date should be less than 1 Jan 87. Okay, so I hope you got this one. You can just reverse or rewind the video and try to understand guys. Got it? Okay, so now I'll write the query, that is 16th one. Okay, so 16th one, it is pretty much simple if you understand guys. Got it? Okay, so write a query to display names. So first one is